All right, for this frequency table, I went ahead and I filled in my totals. I added the numbers across the row to get these totals. I added the numbers down the columns to get these totals. Now this is where I can check to make sure I didn't make any mistakes. When I add these two numbers together, I get 280. I should also get 280 when I add these three numbers together. If I didn't, then I know I did something wrong. So if I check and I add these up, I do get 280, so I know we're fine. Remember, this number here is your grand total. It says complete the row and column totals and answer the following questions. What percentage of boys prefer sports drinks? So we go to boys and we do sports drinks. And it says what percentage of boys, so this is the total we're looking for. So we know that the total for boys is 140. Sports drinks is 52. So 52 out of 140. So that's what I would put in my calculator. I would divide 52 divided by 140. And I get 0.37. I multiply my answer by 100 to get 37%. And now this says what percentage of girls, so I look at the girls total, which is 140, so that goes on the bottom, do not prefer soda. So do not prefer soda, not soda. Not soda would be water and sports drinks. So I'm going to have to put water and sports drinks together. And I get 83. So if I do 83 divided by 140, I get 0.59, which is 59%. What percentage of girls, so the girls total was 140, prefer water? So that's 55 in the water box out of 140. So I'm dividing again. And this is going to be 39%. What percentage of teenagers are boys? So I guess we're assuming everybody in this survey is teenagers. Because it doesn't necessarily say that. So we're going to go ahead and assume that. So what percentage of the total? So our grand total is 280. Our boys is 140. So that's half. What percentage of teenagers, this is our total, so we're going to put 280 on the bottom, prefer water. So we're going to look at our water total, 103. So we're going to have to divide 103 divided by 280, and it rounds to 37%. What percentage of teenagers, so that's our total, 280 goes on the bottom, do not prefer soda. So everything but soda. So not the 67, but the 103 and the 110. So that's going to be 213 if I put them together. And then I divide 213 divided by 280. So 76%.